last night I dreamt of San Pedro. Just like I'd never gone, I knew the song. A young girl with eyes like the desert. It all seems like yesterday, not far away. Tropical, the island breeze, autumn nature wild and free. This is where I long to be. La Isla Bonita. And when the samba played, the sun would set so high, ring through my ears and sting my eyes. Just better slide by.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell by the title, today is going to be very tropical. I wanted to get into the summer vibes because it is summer here now in Canada. It is humid. I think today was like 29 degrees and it's only May. So that for us is a very high temperature, and sorry if you see that I am like sweating throughout this video. It's very hot, but I love summer season. I love bright colors. I wanted to incorporate some tropic blues. So this is where this look is heading today. Don't forget, on my blog on tylercarmela.com, I will have also all of the products that I used and a little bit of a breakdown. And then on my Instagram, if you want to keep updated there, you can follow me and see all the things that are going to be up and coming, more detailed looks, and just life in general. So all that will be linked down below, and if you want to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, then you will not miss any future videos. I will have some more World Series makeup coming out, as well as a lot more summer looks and possibly some travel experiences for the summer. So thanks again for watching, and let's just get right into this look. For most of the colors in this look, I'm going to be taking the Balm Voyage by the Balm. And they have a lot of colors in here that I really want to work with, like these tropical blues and some whites and everything. So we're going to be working with that to start. I'm going to be taking the shade C1, which is a white. I'm just going to start by placing this all across the lid. What I like about white shadow is that it really makes your eyes pop, and any other color that you add on top of it, it's going to add the vibrancy and like almost like the cut creasiness of it. And then with the pencil brush, I'm just going to also run this along the lower lash line. From my Tartelette palette, I'm taking the shade Wander. For my Lise Watier Paradise palette, I'm going to be taking this dark brown. And I find using a pencil liner brush is a lot easier to achieve for the crease. And you're just going to apply it right in your crease. Softly blended it. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, So using a Marc Jacobs eyeliner, I'm just going to be lining my lash line. Balm Voyage palette, I'm going to be taking this shade, which is C2, and we're going to be using this shade to create a wing. On the outer corner of the wings, I'm going to be taking the shade A4, which is black, and I'm just going to be using this to intensify the outer portion of the wing. Using this Aqua shade B2, we're going to place this directly over top of the outer part of your wing. The shade B2 was not going on as bright as I wanted it to contrast, so I have a little bit of Fix Plus that I put in a Smashbox thing just for traveling. I'm just going to be using this with the eyeshadow to see if I can intensify the pigments. There we go, so that's a lot brighter. I'm going to intensify the white, so taking the C1 that we used as the first step. Going back into my Lise Watier Tropical Palette, I'm going to be taking this light, almost like minty blue, and this will be going on the bottom lash line.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
For mascara, I'm using the Falsies Push Up by Maybelline, and then I'm going to top it off with some ARDELL Sexy eyelashes. Now that the lashes are on, I'm going to be taking my Ish palette that I got from FabFitFun, and with the second color in, I'm going to use that one today. Don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. You will be notified every time I upload a new video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one, and thank you again for watching. Bye.